Hello friends, welcome to Nursing Career Club. Today we are going to talk about a unique opportunity that has come to us from the UK. On our website, if you go on www.nursingcareerclub.com, you'll see a BSc job qualification package of $299. If you go and enroll yourself for that package and pass this test, we might be able to present you with an opportunity to go to the UK. Some of the frequently asked questions for us are on this. क्या गारंटी है अगर एग्ज़ाम क्लियर हो जाए तो हमें यूके में जॉब मिल जाएगा? व्हाट इज़ द गारंटी दैट विल गेट अ जॉब इन यूके आफ्टर पासिंग दिस एग्ज़ाम? Well, the answer is there is no guarantee. This is just the first step. After this, there are more tests and processes on the way. Some of the other questions are, हम फ़ी क्यों दे यूके में जॉब के लिए? हम डायरेक्टली अप्लाई भी तो कर सकते हैं. Well, why should we pay a fee to you to apply to the UK? Can't we apply directly? So the answer to this is yes, you can apply directly if you like. However, at this point, NHS, which is the National Health Service, is looking for 3,000 nurses in the UK and they are in touch with us. The third question is, आपका process क्या है? So now I'm going to explain this process of registration in detail. Firstly, on Nursing Career Club, you will be taking that a CBT, a computer-based test, which is the CBT-1, that 299 package, firstly. And if you pass this with a 75%, then you will move on to the next step. What's the next step? If you pass this exam and you meet the English language criteria, which is your IELTS 7 band or OET 350 points minimum, then we will forward your CV to the placement agency. Now, this placement agency is an agency in India and will ask you to deposit 5,000 rupees as their registration fees. There will be an NMC, a computer-based NMC test, which is your second test, and the test criteria is 60%. Passing criteria is 60%. After this, you will be asked to deposit a 25,000 rupees refundable deposit to this agency, which will be only refunded to you when you have passed the objective, structured clinical examination after reaching UK. Now, what is the CBT-1 on NCC? The CBT-1 will have 100 questions on basic BSc nursing syllabus, which you've covered in the 4 years of your BSc. It will also have 15 questions on general knowledge, 15 questions on general English, 20 questions on general arithmetic and reasoning, and a practice exam of 100 marks. All of these 5 exams put together, if you attain 75%, then only we'll be taking you to step 2. Now, what are the other frequently asked questions and what are the answers to it? Who can apply? The following can apply. Any nurse registered with Indian Nursing Council, and this nurse must have a BSc degree in nursing with 1 year of experience post registration, and or a GNM degree with 4 years of experience post registration. This candidate must have a passport to travel outside India. They must have taken and passed and have a certificate of the IELTS English language exam. They must be comfortable and able to speak in English. The following will be provided to the applicants who are selected. A 3-month training in UK by the private hospital to prepare for UK nursing registration exam. They will be needing to stay in a hostel for 3 months, which will be covered by the UK hospital. The flight ticket will also be given by the UK hospital. You will be given 3 chances to pass that exam of the USA nursing registration. UK nursing registration. Test fee will be covered. However, the food and return ticket expenses will be borne by the candidate themselves. If the candidate passes the UK nurses registration exam, the candidate will be given a contract. This contract may be 2 years or plus minus. You will have to contact the agency for that. Expected salary will be based on score and experience. It could vary between £20,000 to £28,000 per annum. Now, this translates to 19 lakhs per annum up to 26 lakhs per annum. You will be posted in a rural UK place where the cost of living is not very high. What is not offered if the candidate gets the job? The applicant will not get a citizenship. The norms of UK government require minimum 5 years of living in UK to apply. You'll have to check on the UK government website for more details. Your immigration status is based on the continued employment with the hospital. If you resign, then you might have to leave the country. What costs the applicant has to bear himself or them or herself? While a lot of the expenses are being borne by the UK hospital, some budgeting has to be done by the candidate. Cost of the IELTS firstly, which is 13,250, will be borne by the candidate. If you've already taken the IELTS and have cleared, fantastic. Cost of food and living expenses for 4 months, right? So that will be around £400 per month. So 1,60,000 you have to budget that way. Cost of air flight return ticket if the applicable does not pass the UK nursing registration exam. That will be somewhere between $25,000 to $80,000. If you pass the exam, you will get back the 25,000 refundable deposit that you had given to the agency. Thank you. If you have any further questions, you can call on +91 911 66 777 44. Thank you.